Hello everyone, so we are going to begin with another important chapter of ICSE 10th, that is the excretory system. So again we are going to discuss 10 important questions from this chapter. So starting with the first question is differentiate between the following parts. The first part of this question is we have to differentiate between ureter and urethra. Now these two terms, they can be confusing, okay. So listen to the differentiation very carefully. So the differences are ureter, it is a muscular tube that is arising from the kidney, and urethra, it is a muscular tube that is arising from the urinary bladder. Okay, so focus on the difference. One tube is arising from the kidney and another tube is arising from the urinary bladder. Now the next point of the difference is that it serves to conduct urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder, and urethra, it serves to conduct urine from the urinary bladder to the exterior of the body. Now moving on to the next part of this question, we have to differentiate between the afferent arteriole and the efferent arteriole. Okay, so ये terms सुनते ही there should be an image of a nephron in your brain. So now starting with the differences, the afferent arteriole and the efferent arteriole. The afferent arteriole, it carries the blood to the glomerulus, and the efferent arterioles, it carries the blood away from the glomerulus. So this is very important point of difference. One is carrying the blood towards the glomerulus and the another one is carrying the blood away from the glomerulus. Now moving on to the next point of the difference, the next is that the afferent arteriole, it carries the blood with waste materials like urea, uric acid, etc. And the efferent arteriole, it carries the blood which is mostly devoid of the waste materials and glucose, because already the process of the ultrafiltration has taken place in glomerulus, and that is the reason that efferent arteriole, it does not have the glucose and the urea and the uric acid.